Starting to get bored of your 3D printer? No problem. I got 5 different STL files that are really cool. First thing that we have on our list is a Roblox avatar. If you or your child enjoys Roblox, this is a really cool print to print out. And make sure to subscribe because I'll teach you guys how to upload your Roblox character as a STL file. That way you can print it out, so subscribe. You don't want to miss that out. The next cool thing that we have on this list is a phone case for your phone. This is a really cool idea, especially if you have a lot of TPU laying around that you just don't use. And you could just use it up and create your own phone case. Probably going to be even more cheaper than the actual phone case, to be honest. Go ahead and try that out. It's really cool. I've done it on my own phone and my friends absolutely loved it. Okay, so number 3 on this list is going to be fidget spinners. Now I know it's not 2017, but trust me with this one, it's really cool. For example, we have this fidget spinner that looks like a gear and it has small little gears on the inside. I think it looks really cool in my opinion. I've printed it out myself. I've made a video about it. It's pretty cool. You should definitely print this one out. Okay, so the 4th thing on this list is gonna be a whistle. So this whistle is super loud, so you're gonna have to be careful with it. You might even want to cover your ears when it's the first time that you're gonna use this, but you do have to blow on it really hard. Yeah, this thing is loud. You should try it out. Okay, so last but not least, try to make your own designs. Learn Fusion 360 or Blender and just make your own designs. That's the joy of a 3D printer. It's making your own things. Yes, it is fun to print things that other people make, but once you know that you made it, it's gonna be more enjoyable. Trust me. It does take time to learn, but at the end, it's gonna be worth it. If 5 designs wasn't enough for you, I also have my own designs, which is in voidcnc.etsy.com. Anyways, thank you for watching this video and have a blessed day.